Hey GED students, it's GED question of the daytime and we're still looking at circles. Let's take a look. It says a circle has a diameter of 11.2 inches. What is the radius of the circle? Now, most times you're doing circle problems on the GED, you're going to have the formula sheet available to you, but this is an exception to the rule. The relationship between diameter and radius is not on the formula sheet. It's just something you need to know with your math common sense. And it does come up as part of many GED style problems. So let's take a look. A circle has a diameter of 11.2 inches. Well, what is a diameter? Let's draw ourselves a nice big circle. Last video I made it too small, I feel like. So what is a diameter? Well, a diameter of a circle goes through the center, but it goes from end to end of the circle. It's one of the dimensions that we measure in a circle. So, length of the circle through the center, basically, one way to think of it. Now, we know our diameter, so according to our problem here, our diameter is 11.2 inches. Now, it's asking us to find what is the radius of the circle. Well, radius and diameter are very much related, but a radius, let's just pick up another color here. Let's try green. A radius just goes from the center to the outside. So you can see here, that's one radius there. And if I was to go the other direction, I could draw another radius this way. So can you see that there's two radiuses in a diameter? Or another way to think of it, a radius is half of a diameter. This is a radius. So basically, if they're asking me to find the radius when I know the diameter, I could just half that number. Now, a lot of students don't know how to half 11.2 in their head. Certainly, I could do it mathematically. I could take half of 11.2. Some students get mad at me, Kate, I can't do that kind of math. That's crazy math. Well, a lot of you guys know that halving something is the same as dividing it into two equal pieces. So feel free to just divide it by 2. That's another way you could do it. Either way, you'll get the same answer. So 11.2 divided by 2 gives me 5.6. So how long is one of those radius or one of those radii? It's a 5.6 inches. Okay, all right, so that should make sense because if this side was 5.6 and that side was 5.6, add them up, 5.6 plus 5.6, and you'd see I'd get a total of 11.2. All right, so final answer then, the radius is 5.6 inches. If you have any questions about this or any other GED math concept, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.